Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into one of the best clutch purses for women wristlet that combines elegance, functionality, and security all in one compact design. If you're searching for a wristlet clutch that effortlessly fits your essentials while keeping your personal information safe, then this genuine leather wristlet clutch by Befen might just be the perfect match. First off, the craftsmanship of this wristlet is truly impressive. Made from genuine Italian pebble leather, it offers a luxurious feel and a timeless look that only gets better with age. The supple leather is complemented by refined gold hardware, giving it an elegant and sophisticated appearance suitable for both casual outings and formal occasions. One of the standout features of this wristlet is its RFID blocking technology. In today's world, protecting your personal information from digital theft is crucial, and this wristlet takes that seriously. It comes equipped with RFID anti-theft lining, which safeguards your cards from unauthorized scanning, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. Despite its sleek and slim profile, this wristlet is surprisingly spacious. Measuring 8.3 inches wide by 5 inches high and just half an inch deep. It offers smart organization with 6 card slots, an interior zipper pocket, and additional compartments to neatly arrange your essentials. There's even a back zippered pocket that allows quick and easy access to your phone or other small items, so you don't have to dig around when you're on the move. The wristlet includes a removable strap, so you can carry it comfortably on your wrist or tuck it inside a larger bag as an organizer. The nylon lining inside adds durability and smoothness when accessing your belongings. Weighing only about 6 ounces, this wristlet feels light and easy to carry without sacrificing storage. This product is designed for women who appreciate minimalistic style but also demand quality and functionality. Whether you're heading to a dinner, running errands, or traveling, this wristlet adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle while keeping your valuables secure. It's also important to note that this wristlet is not discontinued, and it remains a popular choice in women's wristlet handbags, holding a strong position in the market. The overall dimensions and thoughtful compartments make it suitable for most smartphones, cards, cash, and small personal items. In summary, the Befen genuine leather wristlet clutch stands out as a smart, stylish, and secure option for anyone needing a reliable wristlet purse. It blends Italian leather elegance with modern security features and practical design, making it a versatile addition to your accessory collection. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe for more honest insights on the best products out there. See you in the next video.